in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a media broke. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my eye, got a
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, hey, and if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So today is Tuesday, which means it's a wig day here on this channel, and today's Tuesday's wig day is gonna be like a little bit different. We're gonna be doing a lookbook try-on haul type of situation, so that means it's multiple wigs, obviously, because a try-on haul means there's multiple wigs, duh. So today's wigs are brought to you by HERAREMY, so thank you so much for sending these wigs over. So if you guys want to see them in action, want to see how they look, and then want to find out my thoughts and opinions on them afterwards, then just keep watching.
This is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention, it was all for you. So send me your location and ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I pull with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention, it was all for you. So send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you.
So let's talk about these units from HERAREMY. As you saw earlier, they are all very much affordable. They're all $35 and under, and they are also very beginner friendly. When I mean by beginner friendly, the only one that had lace was the first one, and even though it had lace, it was still glueless. So all three of these are glueless. Like the first one, all I had to do was cut off the lace. There was no powder added, there was no gods to be, there was no satin tie down or anything like that. Just cut the lace off, plop it on, and you saw how good it looked. There's also a very minimal shedding and tangling. I think the only one I really got any shedding from was the first one, and again, I think it's because of the lace, me cutting it off, because beforehand, me brushing through it, I got nothing at all. You know, we always got to talk about whether it's big head friendly or not, and I truly feel like these are big head friendly, which I was also surprised about. Like when I looked at them, I was just like, ooh, who had finna fit in those? But they have a lot of stretch to them, which, you know, we love over here. I really don't have any cons for these wigs. I mean, what can you really say about something that's affordable, easy to put on, barely tangles or sheds, and looks really great? As far as the partings go in them, this is the only one who doesn't have like a serious parting, but I mean, I don't think you need that with a 613 pixie cut, in my opinion. The first one, the parting was perfection, especially with me not having to put any powder or anything in it. The second one, I feel like the part looked pretty good for the most part. I do have on a black stocking cap, as you saw, and I feel like either if I put powder in the parting of that one, or if I wore a brighter stocking cap, that parting would also look great as well. So yeah, I really don't have anything negative to say. What I will tell you is my least favorite to my most favorite. My least favorite was probably the second one, and that is Jordyn. I just felt like that one gave me old Hollywood glam, and I don't know, I'm not really going for that on a daily basis. I don't know, but I think my favorite one was, it's really hard actually, because I really like this one. I know this is not everybody's cup of tea. Heck, I honestly didn't even think it was gonna be my cup of tea. When I first put it on, I was like, Draco Malfoy. But the more I wear it, the more I'm just like, this is actually kind of cute. I could see myself like going out in public in this, and I'd be okay with the stares that I would get. So I'm gonna say this one is my favorite. This one is my favorite, and then Essie, which was the first one, is a easy number 2. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you click the subscribe button before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow your girl on Instagram. It is at tandotson. My TikTok is also at tandotson. Huge thank you and huge shout out to HERAREMY for sending these units over and doing this fun, cute little lookbook. Like, I was here for it. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this by just telling me if you enjoyed it, or if you want to see more lookbooks, or tell me which one was your favorite. Number 1 Etsy, number 2 Jordyn, or number 3 Allison. I'm gonna stop rambling now. I will make sure I have all the links to these wigs in the description box below, but I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Black girls in my area cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna pass in the media, bro.